Pole high mast welding. A range of pole welding machines to weld single-shell poles from 60 mm to 2,500 mm in diameter. Automatic. Light pole seam welding machine can close the pole and welding at same time. It has advantage of working speed and perfect welding. Seam. These poles are conical and can be round. Octagonal. Tapered poles used as high masts for electrical power transmission or high poles for street motorway lighting. Welding sector for longitudinal welding pipe production. Line after bending press. The raw longitudinal pipe is moved to the welding machine. There are two options for customers: single shell welding and double shell welding. Single shell welding machine. Welding sector for longitudinal welding pipe. Welding machine is used in welding the single shell poles by MIG-MAG welding technique. Its specification is following production line specifications: steel sheet thickness minimum, length of pole maximum, length of pole minimum, pole diameter maximum, pole diameter transversa, L section, polygonal, conical, taper, no limit. Welding technique: MIG-MAG. Double shell welding machine. Welding sector for longitudinal welding pipe. The welding machine is used in welding the double shell poles by MIG-MAG welding technique. Its specification is following production line specifications: steel sheet thickness minimum, length of pole maximum, length of pole minimum, pole diameter maximum, pole diameter transversa, L section, taper, no limit. Welding technique: MIG-MAG.